female fallow deer which was shot this morning has had this lump on it for about the last 4 years. No idea what's inside it, but we're going to have a look in a minute. We had a phone call yesterday. She had a dead fawn hanging out of the back end, so, and as you can see she's in a bad shape. So right, we'll have a look. We've been guessing for the last few years what was inside this bag. Most of us thought it was probably full of liquid, but it feels quite solid now, and it seems to be attached right into the neck, but we'll see as we go in. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take it right off close to the neck, and then we'll cut inside and have a look inside and see exactly what there is. It's got a very good blood supply. Right, well that's the tumour detached. Now we're going to have a look and see what's inside. Well, I said white and pussy, didn't I? Look at that.
Yep.
Goodness me.
Oh, it's, no, sorry, I'm wrong.
No, it's not. There's
Clot.
well, that's it. That's what you can see. And I'll give you some weight information on it in a bit when we get it in the bag and weigh it. There you go. Anyway, she's been walking around with that hanging on her neck for the last 4 years. She's never been in a position where we can shoot her. We had lots of information that she's about, and we've only just caught up with her. There you go. Sorry about that, that was a shot wound. We're just going to have a look. Well, it's obviously been getting something. There's a lot of green in there. We'll just open it up a bit, yeah. So she's been feeding. Obviously the cancer has made her as thin as what she is, and trying to have that youngster, which we said was hanging out of her yesterday. Well, that's it. Nearly the end of the report. Okay, we weighed this now. It weighed in at just under 6 pounds. And it's about the size of a football. There you go. Absolutely no meat on her whatsoever now.